Hi guys, what's happening? I'm just doing a quick video here on this tool, and I'm going to give you a little demonstration, see what's what comes with. Look, also comes with some nails. I'm going to be doing a little demonstration on how it works. The WORKPRO 6-in-1 staple nail gun. I bought it from Amazon, 25 quid. I'm going to use it to attach some roofing felt that's been damaged up in the loft. These are the ones I'm using. So let's have a quick look at it. You go, look. Basic trigger there. Your power setting, obviously the plus, that's the most powerful setting, and you got the light. You can use a medium as well. It's here, this is where you load them in. I'll demonstrate that because I'm using one hand to hold my phone camera, but I'll give you a demonstration anyway. I've done, as you can see, I've already tested it out, but I want to show people. That's pretty good. Nice and flush. Not so good, but let's try on the low settings. That was on the high. Let's try on the lowest. Torque, if you like. Maximum strength, you have to hold the trigger down. Not bad. One more time. Not bad. I mean, it's relatively easy to use. It's not too stiff for me. It looks a bit plasticky, but there is a medium as well. I think there's the medium, look. So low, medium, high. Let's go on the medium. And there's your medium. Yeah, it's not bad. Right, I'm going to try and show you how to load. There you go. Multi-talented, look, using one hand to film with one hand. So you basically press that tab down, and this slides out. Okay, and then your staples, nails. Go in there. Okay, and then that's it. It comes with an instruction manual anyway. You know, tells you what's what. It's a little bit vague for my liking, but it's not difficult to use it, guys. It really isn't. I mean, look at the instructions; they're a bit shit. But it's really not difficult to figure out. I hope this video helps. If you like it, then please give it a like. Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas.